This video came to us from June of 2024. This is a storm that sat for hours out in eastern parts of New Mexico, out near a very tiny town called Willard, New Mexico. It sat there for at least 3 hours straight, dropping between 6 and 8 inches of rain over this localized area, dropping more rain than some parts of New Mexico see in an entire year. And you could see the impact of this rain and hail that additionally dropped, which were about lime-sized hail. It was just accumulating the entire ground here, stranding vehicles, causing these roads and these flat areas to just turn into rivers.
It's just incredible to see that, so much moisture packed with these thunderstorms. They could just park over the same area or they could just reform over the same area. We had a kind of mixture of that in this scenario. So much rain, hail, and hail, we've seen it accumulate like snow, and you can get feet of it sometimes, especially in piles. And then eventually, of course, it's warmer during these times of year. And like in June, it happened in 2024. And all that hail melts, the rain, it just collects like a flash flood. And you just got a recipe for a big flash flood.
Yeah, I remember watching this storm this day on radar and being like, this storm is not going anywhere. It's just sitting and redeveloping over the exact same spot out there in eastern New Mexico near Willard, New Mexico. And I was hoping that I knew it was a really rural area, so I was like, oh, we'll probably never get any video of this or really know the scale of what happened. So I was so thankful to this viewer who sent us this incredible drone video showing the impact of that storm of feet of water, feet of hail even, just blanketing the ground over this really localized area out there in east central New Mexico. And again, it's really flat land, so it's not like that water was going anywhere anytime quickly. You obviously can see it rushing there, but it was just sitting there for hours and hours.
And yeah, even though it is flat land, because of just how quickly the rain was falling, it did create just enough momentum to wash out roads, interstates, sidewalks, bringing in with debris, sand, down trees even. Just the power, by the way, of moving water is just something you cannot take for granted. 6 inches of moving water can sweep you off your feet. All it takes is about a foot or two of water in some cases, if it's moving fast, to really cause damage to your car or for your car to be submerged or to tip over in some cases.